So guys, we'll be alright. In like IRL, this is so dark.
What did you say? IRL?
Yeah, IRL. In real life.
Yeah.
Just close up to your face. So yeah, like over there. You see how it's like dark over there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that I just caught that on camera. Like it's really dark. Like legit, like those clouds are not light. They're like dark gray, like darker than what's on the camera. The camera does not do justice. That thing is glowing.
Any rotation, but we're gonna get rain here in a second, pretty bad.
Don't worry, my dad says that we'll survive. He'll protect us. Yeah.
We'll be just fine, dude.
Piper, we're gonna be okay, okay? Daddy will protect us. Daddy will protect us, okay, baby girl? Okay? Why do people like to go to the MIS? Yeah.
We still have an updraft going on.
I just caught that recording on camera. I just heard that audio of it. Oh, I can smell the rain. Oh my goodness. This is what outside is. I'm holding my phone. Don't worry guys, I'm okay. I'm still okay. 44%. I'll be okay guys. Alright. Piper, you're breaking my heart. She's whimpering. Piper. Oh, Piper. Who said I should make Piper a character in Gotcha? Like, comment down below. Lightning going on. Oh my goodness. That's how dark, like, the sky is. Not about the sky.
Oh, I wish I had that on.
Luckily, I caught it.
I'm able to send that message.
Dad, record this stuff.
So I'm gonna start recording again. Hopefully it's
Yep. Like, people on YouTube heard about the tornado and they're worried about me.
Wait, what, are you live streaming?
No. I wish I was.
Well, how does they know?
But
oh wow, that's really cool.
I know they just heard it because of the warnings.
Look at that.
Piper, you're being so good right now, okay?
Ooh,
You're being so good.
I'm not getting the lightning bolts.
You're being
Cool
so good, Piper, okay? You're being so good. When we get home, I'm going to give you a T word. We say T word so that she doesn't know what we're talking about. So she won't get like excited out of nowhere. My cute baby girl. I love you. If I die today, at least I'm near the animal that I love. But
that's when I missed the lightning bolt.
Yep.
So
I did.
I love this cheese. Yeah, that lightning's way up in the clouds.
Just put your camera near the window, then you'll be okay.
The sunroof.
Yep. I just put my phone near the sunroof, like on the sunroof. Oh.
Not into any. I got a little pass, but we're gonna get hammered with that rain there.
I should so make like a story time about this, Dad.
Story time.
Or like something.
Why does it look so light on this camera, but it's actually dark?
Yeah.
It's like almost black. Oh, that was cool.
Okay, so guys, you know how it's like pitch black and stuff? Yeah, try to imagine that, but lighter. Imagine that, but lighter. A little like the Gotcha version of black. Like not like the pitch black, but like the lighter black.